Hi, I'm Chris Barlow, Technical Director of Astec I.T Solutions, and we're at PPMA this year to showcase our smart manufacturing solutions. These are based around IoT for manufacturing, which we see as adding significant value to our existing customers by taking a lot of their existing infrastructure, enabling them to gain real insight and value from that investment that's been made over the last 15 to 20 years. Astec's helping manufacturers adapt to Industry 4.0 by providing a range of modular applications that help our customers adapt or tailor their approach to Industry 4.0 to gain the maximum benefit. They can start very small and approach things like connectivity and really gather data from assets, from equipment, from machines and from business systems, and to bring all that data together to begin a roadmap of things like analytics and machine learning, and even extending as far as augmented reality to really gain and to drive some value from the Industry 4.0 initiative and applications that are out there. In our opinion, what manufacturers should be doing to approach Industry 4.0 is to take a pragmatic or a roadmap view, and to maybe start small and scale fast. So to begin with issues like connectivity, to provide connectivity to existing assets and to collect that data, and then begin to understand how some of the layered solutions that form part of the software stack that we can provide can add some value, and maybe think about where they want to be in the next 5 or 10 years, and maybe work backwards from that with their roadmap, and to take steps to meet that roadmap in maybe bite-sized chunks that can maybe not involve significant capital outlay, but can really drive some value from the solutions and those investments.